Namaste student. Our today's topic is regarding to the fundamental right which is provided by the Indian Constitution. It is the last fundamental rights of the Constitution provided by the Constitution of India. It is constitutional remedies. This fundamental right is very important in the Indian Constitution and for the citizen of the India country. Why it is very important? Because this fundamental right is known as the guardian of all fundamental right. Constitutional remedies are provided in Article number 32. Article number 32 tells us about that constitutional remedies protect all the fundamental right which we have already discussed. Right to equality, right to freedom, those fundamental rights we have discussed in the previous topics. Constitutional remedies, it is very important regarding to the 11th class and also important for your competition examinations. Constitutional remedies means it protect the fundamental right regarding to the law. It protect the fundamental right by the judiciary. We can directly knock the door of the judiciary if our other fundamental rights are exploited, which we have discussed. 5 fundamental rights we have already discussed. First fundamental right, I have provided you that right to equality. In the right to equality, we have discussed that all the peoples are equal before the eye of law. It means there is no discrimination regarding to the class, caste and religion. So, right to equality we have discussed in article number 14 to 18. Second fundamental right, I have provided you right to freedom. Right to freedom, it is provided in article number 19 to 23. This article number right to freedom is provided in article number 19 to 22. Right to freedom we have discussed that right to speech, right to expression, right to reside in the any part of the country. We can freely move in the any part of the country and we have right to express our ideas through the print media and electric media. So it provides the freedom of speech and expressions to the all citizens of the India country. Regarding to the third fundamental right, we have discussed right against exploitation. In this fundamental right, we have discussed that there will be no any kind of the exploitation regarding to the children, and in our society, begar system, it means forced labor is completely removed from the society. Begar means, I have told you that to work without payment. If we are going for the such kind of the work and we are not giving them payment, it is known as the begar system. It was a social evil of the Indian society. So this fundamental right protect the children's right. Children right means if the children are going in any kind of the hazardous activity under the age group of the 14 year, it is a crime. So this right against exploitation protect the rights of the children. It means under the age group of the 14 year of the children, they are need for the education. So government has provided free and compulsory education regarding to the article number 21A, which I have already explained you. Next fundamental right to against exploitation, it is regarding to article number 23 to 24. It is right against exploitation. Next right we have discussed right to freedom of religion. I have told you that India is a secular country. All the religions are equal before the eye of law. There is no official religion of the official religion of the government. There is no official religion of the government. So right to freedom of religion provide the religious equality to the people of country, and it provide religious rights to the citizen of India country. Next fundamental right to freedom of religion, it is regarding to article number 25 to 28. Cultural and educational right, this right is regarding to the article number 29 to 30. It is the cultural and educational right which we have discussed in the previous topic. Cultural and educational rights protect the rights of the minorities community. They have right to spread their culture and language regarding to their community. So these are the 5 fundamental right, and 6th number fundamental right. If we remove the 6th number fundamental rights from the rights of the Indian citizen, there is no value of the rights. Why it is so? Because constitutional remedies protect all the fundamental rights of the Indian citizen. It is very important. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar told that constitutional remedies is a heart and soul of the constitution. संविधान की आत्मा कहा है उसको, फंडामेंटल राइट्स की उसको सोल कहा है. क्यों कहा है? बिकॉज इट प्रोटेक्ट ऑल द फंडामेंटल rights. So it is very important. Constitutional remedies, it means this fundamental right protect all the fundamental rights of the Indian citizen, and 5 fundamental rights which are provided by the Indian Constitution. So let's revise. First fundamental right, right to equality. Second fundamental right, right to freedom. Third fundamental right, right against exploitation. You revise with me. Fourth fundamental right, right to freedom of religion. Fifth fundamental right, cultural and educational right. And last fundamental right, it is regarding to article number 32, constitutional remedies. Why it is very important? And there may be the question in your exam, why constitutional remedies is known as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Because it protects all the fundamental rights. If any fundamental right of the citizen is exploited, we can knock the door of the judiciary, and it is very important that we can go directly to the Supreme Court for the justice. If there is injustice regarding to the any fundamental right, injustice, any fundamental rights of the Constitution, we can directly go to the judiciary. Judiciary protect all the fundamental right. So article 32 is the safeguard of the all constitutional right, and right to constitutional remedies is the safeguard of the all the fundamental rights. Our topic is completed. In the next topic we will discuss about the different writs of the Supreme Court. Thank you so much.